Hi you guys, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. So I just picked up all of our groceries that we're gonna have from Walmart for the grocery pickup. And this is everything that we're gonna have. I have a family of 4, me, my husband, and my 2 boys. And I have all of our meals written out here, so I'll show you our meal plan. I'll show you all of the groceries that we're having. So this week I went a little bit over $200. I always like to stay under 200, but I was at 209 this week and I got a lot of stuff, so we stocked up, got a lot of meat also, so that definitely drives up the cost of the groceries. So let me show you everything we got. But first, if you are new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I show you my grocery haul every week and let you know what we're having for the week, and lots of meal ideas on my channel as well. So make sure you click subscribe. All right, let me show you everything we got for the week. All right, so here are all of our groceries for the week, everything that we're having that's gonna make up all of our meals. So I will start over on this side. I have kind of all the meats over here, but I have our pack of chicken. We eat a pack of chicken a week. We grill it up for salads, sandwiches, all kinds of different things. But here's our chicken for the week. I got some Jimmy Dean pork sausage. It's gonna go actually in a dip that I'm making. We're gonna do smash burgers one day, so I have a big pack of ground beef. And over here, this is asada. My husband loves cooking asada on the Blackstone, has it with his eggs in the morning, has it with burritos for lunch, but he's been really into asada lately. So big pack of asada. And then I got this 5-pound thing of ground beef. It was on sale and I plan on making some casseroles with this. So I'm actually gonna save this. I'm gonna freeze it and I'm going to cook it up in a couple weeks when I make some ground beef casseroles. So it was on sale, so I wanted to grab it now. And I don't usually love ground beef that's like in the tube like this. So definitely gonna check this out and see how it goes. And it's much, much cheaper this way. So I might have to start getting it this way in the future. We'll check it out. So back to over here, I got 2 boxes of Cheerios. If you've been around my channel, you know how much my kids love Cheerios, and I get 2 boxes at a time because if I get 2, then I can clip a coupon and save $1. So got 2 boxes and it'll last us a few weeks. Got some snack bags. We're gonna be going on a little one-nighter to, we're gonna go to Great Wolf Lodge in a few weeks. So gonna pack lots and lots of snacks. So got these snack bags for that. I always get collagen, and this is a different one that I'm going to try out because the one that we've been getting, we just go through it way too fast and it only lasts us about a week and a half. So I'm hoping that this one will last us a little longer. It's unflavored. Collagen's really awesome for skin, hair, and nails. Joint support. So I put it in my tea in the morning. My husband puts it in his smoothies and it's just really good for you. So I hope that this one's good. I have not tried it before, so I'm gonna check this one out, and it is a really good price. So I'm gonna go with that one for a little bit. Goldfish, lots and lots of snacks. Pistachios, my kids love pistachios for snacks. Bunch of apples. We go through a ton of apples. I got 12 this week. I'm hoping that we'll make it through the week with 12 apples. I usually get 10. So bumped it up a little bit so that hopefully we don't run out. Got some frozen meatballs. We're going to do spaghetti and meatballs one night. And also, this is a big bag, so it'll last a little while. But I'm also going to make some meatballs with this grape jelly and barbecue sauce. So I posted a video last week and I got a lot of comments on people telling me that I need to make my meatballs with grape jelly and barbecue sauce. So everyone says it's wonderful. I'm going to give it a shot and let you know how I think it is. So lots and lots of meatballs. Pepperoni, we're going to do some pepperoni crescent roll-ups. Melting chocolate. This stuff is awesome. We melt it and make different pretzels or chocolate covered strawberries, but really easy and convenient for these melting chocolates. Some green onion, some strawberries, tortillas. My Benjamin loves quesadillas, so big pack of tortillas for that. That'll last a while. I got 2 18 packs of eggs. We go through a lot of eggs. So lots and lots of eggs. I got some olives for snacks. Rotel is gonna go in a dip. Black beans, like I mentioned, my husband loves burritos with asada and chicken also, so he likes black beans in there. The grape jelly will be for the meatballs. Here's some crescent rolls for the pepperoni roll-ups that we're gonna make. Strawberries for smoothies, frozen strawberries. This lemon cream, it's a lemon pie filling, and it's gonna go into a lemon bar recipe I'm making. And it's supposed to be super easy, so I think I will show you guys on a video. I'm gonna make these lemon bars, and I hope that they're really good. So that's for that. Tuna, I've been really into tuna lately for lunches, so this little 4-pack of tuna. I'm gonna make some homemade chicken strips out of this seasoned coating. My mom made them when we were visiting a couple weeks ago over the holidays, and they were really good. So we're gonna do some homemade chicken strips for dinner one night. Broccoli, we go through a lot of broccoli. It's my kid's favorite veggie. Some Monterey Jack cheese, a bag of avocados. We go through a lot of avocados. Lots of bananas, go through a lot of those. Here's the pizza sauce for the crescent roll-ups. This is my favorite Caesar dressing, this lighthouse dressing. It's really thick and really, really delicious. It's my favorite. Lettuce for salads. Pickles. I absolutely love pickles, and they're 0 calories. So definitely love anything that is 0 calories. Almond milk, regular milk, sandwich thins, and bread. Benjamin loves peanut butter sandwiches, so this is the bread he likes. It's like super soft, but it's a honey wheat bread. This is the one he likes, so I had to get a new loaf of that. Here is the meals. My paper's a little wrinkly. I threw it in my purse and got all wrinkled up. But this is what we're planning on having for the week. So we're gonna do smash burgers on Sunday. We're gonna do salmon. We do a ton of salmon, and I have some in the freezer. So that'll be Monday. We're gonna do some Taco Tuesday on Tuesday this week. I already have taco meat already prepped that I did last week. I prep it ahead of time and then freeze it in batches, so it is ready to go. I'm gonna do the homemade chicken strips on Wednesday, barbecue chicken Thursday, spaghetti and meatballs on Friday, and then we have a function that we're going out to on Saturday, so the kids are gonna have some leftovers, maybe mac and cheese if they don't want any of the leftovers. So this is what we're having for dinner, and we might skip around on the meals and switch some days up, but this is what we're using all of the food for this week. Like I said, everything was just a little over $200, and it's for all of our meals for the 4 of us. So I hope you enjoyed this week's grocery haul. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you're new, make sure you click subscribe. I show you my grocery haul every week, so make sure you subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video. Have a really great day. Bye-bye.